Hi, today I'm going to give you a small tip. Sometimes when you load the Excel files to Power BI, the header is not get detected as the first row. So I'll give a small tip how you can resolve it. So this is my Excel sheet. So as you see, the first header column, header row contains company, country, and distance. So let's load this Excel file to Power BI and see how it will get loaded. Okay, now I'm going to load it. So Excel file, and then I load it to company information one. So as you see, the first three, uh, or the header detected as column 1, column 2, and column 3, not the original header which was in the Excel. So this is a problem that we are going to solve now. So the easiest technique is before loading the data, just go to transform data, and in the Power Query Editor, there's an option called use first row as header, right? So just click this one, and as you see, the column 1, column 2, and column 3 removed, and then I have to close and apply. Right, so as you see now, the first row, the header of Excel, detected as the header column of our data source. So thanks for watching this, and use this option if you get come across the same problem.